Shosho guys, welcome back to Speaker Nawe. I'm still your boy Taylor DJ. Yeah, so today sibuye review album entsha, surprise album laphana ivele yathi nje qhinga ngomhla ka-16 June singayilindele laphana. Yeah, i-album is from uSjava, uSaudi and u-MT bahamba noRafu laphana umproducer wawo. Amajita lawa i-1020 lawa amajita esawazi nge-ambitious thina because ibona iyona yabanikeza udumo laphana. So uSjava laphana beno-MT noSaudi noRafu bakhiphe I think i-EP. Angazi basubiza nge-album nosubiza nge-EP because abazange besho lutho bavele nje bashaya ngale surprise le. So iphumile isihloko se-EP ibizwa The Creme Temptations laphana. So amajita lawa abuya ku-ATM laphana, i-African Crep Movement laphana. Abantu abakade-ke baqala ukusebenzisana ndawonye and ba-understanda laphana. Molalela ingoma zabo uyezwa ukuthi nje i-production kaRaf producer u-MT or i-producer uSaudi abantu akazi ukuthi wenzani ngabo, but i-sound yakhe ithe kuba unique kakhulu le album. Uyamuzwa ukuthi i-level akasekuyona uRaf yokuproducer kuseyona le level akekuyona le time esaproducer oro lapho esaproducer album yaSjava laqopha umlando laphana isinamuva esaproducer uSaudi laphana le album yakhe yokuqala laphana umsokrameni laphana, but into yabe imnandi kakhulu ingoma nje ziwu-10. Ingoma okuyiyona outstanding for mina ivangeli, hayi ingithinte kakhulu leyo. Kube khona ingoma le ibizwa ngebandla imnandi naye, how many times laphana yo leyo ngoma lo Saudi laphana ugijime kakhulu laphana. So ingoma nje zakhona zimnandi ziyaflow ngale ndlela. Ikhona nenye ingoma ethi sakhuluma ingathi irecordwe nebhendi lapha. I think ingoma bazoyiperforma kakhulu amashow ase-stage because uSjava kakhulu useyilowo muntu usekuleyo level athi namashows ahambe neband and stuff. So leyo ngoma I think bebeyenzela for amashow afana lawo, but nje ngihappy nge-production kaRap laphana ngizwe engomeni kukhona uSaudi kukhona u-MT like bafethu angazi ukuthi ngingathini bafethu u-MT special bafethu yabo. MT angafika eshaya ivesi eliyi-1 erap ephinde ebuye ecule and stuff. I think u-MT special kusamele simnize ama-flowers akhe emzansi. So nje laphana ngihappy kakhulu ngale approaches because besingayilindele and i-maturity mawuthulalela yona mawuthi from oSjava noSaudi laba laphana okambitious ilevel asebekuyona ayisafani. When it comes to pen game indlela yokubhala lamajita lawana a-strong, when it comes to flows, when it comes to delivery kade baqala ukudlala ngase-studio laphana. Uyabona laba before bethola ifame abantu abasebe-practice lento abayenzayo i-art yabo le and ba-understandana bonje indlela masebehlangene bonke indlela ebhalwe ngayo. I hope mhlawumbe ikhona abasirekodele yona besayishutha mhlawumbe something nyana like i-documentary because ngiyakhumbula i-ATM eke yasigexabeza nge-documentary laphana. So nje as a fan of i-ATM, as a fan of i-story ambitious, as a fan of iSjava, as a fan of u-MT uRaf, i-story sabo nje si-rich kakhulu indlela babeqale ngayo laphana because according to i-story sabo, according to ama-interview from uSjava abeqale bese-flatini laphana somewhere lamabhilidi aseGoli laphana. So i-1020 that was the name of i-flat according to i-story. So ubona nje amajita after so many years asazwana laphana asahlangana asakwazi ukwenza music ndawonye ikhiphe something la. I think into enhle kakhulu siyibone leyo because amajita amaningi ayabhifa kwi-game makuhamba iminyaka bayalahlana. So ubona nje kwenzakala izinto ezi-negative but bephinde bebuye bebumbane. uSjava beba ne-show, uSaudi yaphula apha, u-MT yaphula apha, uRaf benoSjava ba-partners basebenza ndawonye. So nje no ezo-speaker nawe happy ngale project. Actually nje ngi-happy about everything stories behind yona. So nje ngilo ngilalela no I think basinikeze something special. So ibamba nje sisondeze eduze kwenhliziyo laphana. Yeah, so abantu bangayarate mhlawumbe comment ngengoma abathandile because ingoma zikho ningi kakhulu vele ziwu-10 ke nje mina ngoba ngisho ukuthi ingoma engiphuma nayo kakhulu ivangeli, but ibandla ngibonile abantu abaningi balireceive kahle limnandi nalo liyeza. How many times yona engithande kakhulu iphathi kaSaudi laphana. Saudi omunye umuntu special ngale ndlela, omunye umuntu oyisinga la beside kuba nje lento akayiyena like a rapper, i-trapper, he can sing. uSjava ngifuna nokukhuluma ngawo. uSjava usasiprovele into eningi kakhulu, uRaf usiprovele into eningi kakhulu. So amajita laphana answempu wonke ama-features amaningi abengekho because already bavele baduphe bonke bebengadingi ama-features, but ngiyafisa ukuzwa ukuthi mhlawumbe bayirekhode kanjani, mhlawumbe irekhode nini, yathatha isikhathi esingakanani. Abo into engi-interested kuzona as umuntu oyifan kakhulu ye-ATM because lamajita lawa aqophile umlando emzansi. But ngizoyivala ivideo yami ingazibe yinde kakhulu. Sekhona ku-Twitter ethi Speaker Nawe, sikhona ku-TikTok si-Speaker Nawe show, usi-check-e naku-Facebook isikhona si-Speaker Nawe. Away, we out.